Hey loves, it's Lulu and I'm back today with another unboxing. So I'm so excited to share this unboxing with you. I have been waiting on the wait list since December and I finally got my box. I'm talking about the CURLBOX subscription. So if you've never heard of CURLBOX, CURLBOX is a monthly subscription geared towards curly hair, and you get full-size products delivered to you every month for $25. So this service is in super high demand. I had no clue. I actually heard about this through one of my YouTube friends, so thank you for the recommendation. I had tried out Curl Kit in the past and I was really disappointed with it, so I've been looking for a subscription box and she told me about CURLBOX. So I went to the website thinking I was going to be able to log on that day and order it, and to my surprise it was sold out. So I was back in December, so I tried again in January, and the same thing. So I just kept adding myself to the wait list. There's a little box on the bottom of the website where you put in your email address and it's supposed to notify you when they have an opening. So I thought it was strange that I never received any emails, so I just kept waiting. Then I finally realized that the emails were going to my spam folder. So all this time I've been missing out on the emails. So finally in February I got the email and it said that it was going to be opening up on a certain day. So I really still underestimated the demand of the product, and I waited until the end of the day thinking that I had time, and when I logged on that night after work they were sold out. So that was a bummer. So then I waited again the next month in March and I set my alarm, because usually when they open up the wait list it's like at 6 in the morning. So I set my alarm and then I logged on about like 5:55 and it was supposed to open up at 6, and to my surprise it was already open and the website was acting super glitchy and crashing, and I think it was because of the number of people trying to log on and buy the box. So I kept refreshing my browser and I finally was able to get in and pay for my box, and it's finally here. So this is the April CURLBOX. So I'm just so excited to share this with you guys because I've been waiting forever for this. So this is how everything came to me. So I've already used some of these products, so I know what's in here, so it's not a first impressions or a surprise unboxing, but I was just really excited about it and I wanted to share with you all the things that I got in here. So the first product that I received is by Head & Shoulders, and then that's another thing about CURLBOX. Let me explain really quick. So with CURLBOX, it's a complete line, so you get full-size products and they're all the same brand. So this month they included all the Royal Oils collection from Head & Shoulders. This is a concentration on healthy scalp care and moisturizing. So I'm really excited about trying these things, and all of the products are super moisturizing. They're sulfate, dye, and mineral oil free, so I really appreciate that. So anyways, the first thing I got is the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. This has coconut oil in it and it smells so amazing. And then the rest of the items were inside the box, and I really love the simplicity of the packaging. So they include some information about the line. So this is the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils, and they tell you everything that you get in the box along with some information and how you can use it. And then they have their CURLBOX monthly magazine. So this is the royalty issue, So Fierce. And then let's see what else came in the box. So the first thing that I got was this silk hair wrap, and this is so important. If you don't already have a silk pillowcase or a satin bonnet or a silk hair wrap, it is a must-have for curly hair. It's going to prevent your hair from drying out when you sleep at night, so I definitely recommend that. So I'm really happy that this came in there. And let's see what it looks like. It's a nice size, and it says, "My black is beautiful," and I absolutely love that. This is amazing, and it feels really good, like good heavy duty, good quality, and I like the size of this. This is perfect. And then the next thing that they included is the Deep Moisture Mask with coconut oil. So this is going to moisturize your hair and scalp for long-lasting scalp relief. So that's awesome. And then I got the Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir with cooling menthol and peppermint oil. And this is going to relieve itchy and dry scalp all day. And then I got a moisturizing co-wash. I was really pleased to see this in my box. I don't always shampoo my hair. Sometimes I just condition it only. But I've never tried a co-wash product. So I can't wait to try this out. And then I have actually tried this one. So this is the Moisture Boost shampoo, and this smells so amazing. It smells like tropical, it smells like coconut, and it feels really good when you put it on your scalp. Your scalp kind of tingles a little bit, and it's not too strong, but it's just a nice sensation. So I got that, and then I got the corresponding moisture renewal conditioner with coconut oil. So this is the complete set that I got. I'm so pleased with the April CURLBOX. I'm actually pleased with the whole subscription in general. I think for the price that I pay, I'm getting more than what I paid for it. I'm getting a complete line of products that's safe for curly hair. I highly recommend this subscription if you have curly hair and you're looking for a monthly box. I think with this subscription, I will never have to really go out and buy any more shampoos or conditioners or really too many other products, because I'm going to be getting, you know, full-size items every month. So it's going to cut down on my hair product costs, so that's awesome. If you are interested in signing up for this box, just know that it is in super high demand. You are going to probably have to go on their website and add yourself to their wait list and just pay attention to their emails. And then once you receive the email, whatever day and time they tell you, I'm telling you, you have to log in like 5 minutes or even 10 minutes before it opens, just so that you can get the box, because this box sells out in a matter of minutes. It's just crazy. But I'm so glad that I finally got off the wait list, and I'm so excited to be able to share this unboxing with you. And I will be sharing my monthly CURLBOX unboxings every month, so if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend it. So please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future unboxing videos. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this April CURLBOX unboxing, and as always, wishing you peace, love, and good vibes until the next video. Thanks for watching.